Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok shop ads. Nowadays there's a lot of people who comes to TikTok and do more than just to entertain themselves. You can actually start a business with TikTok. Either you create your own shop on TikTok or you create another shop and then advertise your product on TikTok. You can do it with dropshipping or other types of business. Now let's try to take a look at some of the examples of the people who use TikTok as their marketing platform. Now if you type in the TikTok search bar, for example, TikTok finds, you'll be able to find a lot of videos of people advertising a lot of stuff. For example, this one's right here is creating a video for product for their home in order to make it look more aesthetics, etc. And usually either they will put a link on their profile or they can also just directly put the link into the video, and I'm going to show you what I meant later on the video. Let's try and take a look at this person's profiles right here. So it says here that she creates an affiliate programs on their TikTok, or she joined on an affiliate program. And if you take a look at the video through your phone, you'll be able to see on how the product is being linked inside of the video. So here we're going to take a look at some of the TikTok finds, and lots of them actually doesn't really do much in the video. So this one's right here actually shows the product on hand. Meanwhile, this one just created a video in the form of moving pictures, which I believe isn't that hard to do, and yet still you can still do that in order to advertise your product. Now let's try to take a look at this one's right here. Again, it just shows a lot of pictures. They didn't really show anything on it. I mean, they didn't really try to advertise it too hard. It just shows like some kind of pictures, but you can see that this video itself has more than 200,000 likes and more than 1,000, almost 2,000 even comments. And there's a lot of people who are actually interested in buying this product. Again, there is a high chance of when you go to their profile, you'll be able to find a link that sells those products. Now I'm going to show you how TikTok Shop's video will looks like if you are looking at it through your phone. Here I'm trying to search for some makeup video, and if you take a look at this video, on the bottom left corner of it you're going to be able to see a yellow shopping or a cart symbol, and it means that you can directly purchase the product that this person is trying to sell through this video. And it's going to depend on which country you live in. Here in Indonesia, TikTok actually worked together with a marketplace called Tokopedia. So when people are trying to buy some product from TikTok Shop, they're going to buy the product from Tokopedia, but it's also a part of TikTok Shop. And here I'm just trying to find some more product, and you can also see sometimes a shop now button is going to pop up on that video, and again when you click on it you're going to be automatically directed into the product page. And here we'll be able to see on the price of the product, the variety of the product, even the review of the product, and we can just shop directly through this page right here. So you don't have to create a specific page where you put your links into that page. You can just put a link of your product into your video, and then you'll be able to directly market your product through there. Alright, so that is how people who create shops on TikTok integrate their product links into their video, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, first thing first, before you'll be able to connect a link from your product into your video, you're going to want to set up your TikTok shop first. It is different from your regular account, so you're going to want to set up your TikTok shop first before you can continue and watch this video. After you finish setting your shop as well as inputting your product listing, you can then go back to this video and continue the tutorial. Now, once you're done with all of that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this upload button right here. If you're going to use your PCs, your laptop, or whatever it is that's just not your phone. Obviously, you can also do it with your phone, but I'm just going to show you how to do it with your laptop/PCs right now. So here they're going to ask me to upload the video. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, this part is obviously going to be up to you. Be as creative as you can. The more engaging your video is, the higher chance your customer will want to buy that specific product from you. It doesn't even have to be your customers. You know that TikTok algorithm works like a mystery. You don't really know what's going on in that. You do, but it's not as predictable as any other marketplace. So you're going to want to get creative, and you want your video or your pictures to be as interesting as possible. Just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use this AI video that I created on Canva. So one of the products that I have on my shop right now is this headset right here. It's a black headset with a red wire on it. Obviously, this isn't the real product, but I'm just going to give you the ideas of how it works. So first thing first, you're going to want to choose your pictures or your video. And next, you're going to want to click on add link. And here I have the product as my link type. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. And then I'm going to choose the product, which is this one's right here. Go ahead and click on next. And then I can also change the product name that will appear on the videos. So instead of saying the whole thing, maybe I'm just going to name it as cool headset or something like that. Go ahead and do that. See, as you can see now, I have this yellow shopping symbols and it says cool headsets right here. And then I can also choose on who will be able to see my video. I'm just going to go ahead and post it for now. Obviously, going to want to add a descriptions or anything that is going to hook the interest of your viewers again. But since this is just for a test or for a sample, I'm just going to post it, and then we're going to go to the advertising part of the video. So now we're going to go to ads.tiktok.com, and this is where you'll be able to advertise the video for your shop. And here I have a business centers and I have several ads manager. I'm just going to go ahead and click on one of my business center, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this create ads option and use this as my account. And here you're going to start by choosing the goal of your advertising. Now, because the goal is for me to sell the product from my shop, I'm going to go ahead and click sell products online as my goal, and then go ahead and click on continue. Next, you're going to want to set up your location, your demographic, as well as the interests and behaviors of the people you want to target this ads to. So if you have a specific target market in mind, it is better to be as detailed as possible so that TikTok will be able to give the specific ads into a specific pool of people instead of just throwing it out randomly, and the conversion will not be as how you expect it to be. Once you're done with all of that, you can go ahead and click on continue, and then you're going to want to put on the budget of your ads. So you can choose whether you want it to be a daily budget or a lifetime budget. If you just start out, you can play around with the lifetime budget. They do have a minimum amount of budget you will have to spend if you choose the lifetime one. So you can go ahead and play around with the budget part. Now, after you're done with the budget settings, you're going to go ahead and finally create your ads. And remember that I've already posted my video beforehand. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to click on TikTok post and select on the video you want to choose as an ads. Or you can also just go ahead and create the video from scratch by clicking on add video and then upload your video just like how we did before. Then you can choose on the video that you want to use as your ads. And here I'm just choosing another video just for an example. And then you can just insert the detail through here. Now there is another way that you can do if you want to create a TikTok shop ads, and you can do that by going to this tools right here. You're going to go to catalog. So you're going to choose on whichever catalog you want to work with, and I'm going to work with this one's right here. And then you're going to go to this video sections right here, and you're going to want to go ahead and start creating your ads video. Now you can choose whether you want to use their dynamic templates or just use the TikTok templates. I'm going to go with the TikTok templates for now. And then they have lots of templates that you can use. Let's say I'm going to use the one for professional advertising. So let's say I'm going to work with this one's right here. So go ahead and click on create. And then you're going to want to setting on how your video will look like. And then you can also edit your logo, your tags, you can add your music if you want, add some stickers, etc. And once you finish with all of that, you can go ahead and click on create. And once you're done, you're going to be able to see your video right here. Your video will indeed be in review for some time. So it says right here that the result of the review will be able to be seen in 24 hours. You'll have to wait until your video will actually be advertised. And that's basically it. That is how you can create an ads for your TikTok shop. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.